unboxing DJI MAVIC 3. Let's see what's in the box. Okay. Well, I guess that didn't work. Well, no. It's easy to open up. Got the remote controller. This is gonna be my backup just in case something happens with my RC Pro controller, or if I want to just use my phone. Yeah, if I want to just fly for fun, this is something I can use. And then the RC Pro can be a little more for my professional work. And it's pretty small, so I can't complain compared to the compared to the RC Pro. It's a lot smaller. And then got something else. This is probably those USB and USB-C connection to your phone. There goes the baby, and this thing is so heavy. And then it comes with two propellers. I didn't go with the combo more for $800. I figure I get the remote controller instead of getting the flight or combo. I don't need the bag. I have my bag. I didn't need it. I just need to get the batteries. That's probably the only thing that I need. But I'll do that next. Alright, let's open it. Let's open it. Comes in the, I love this cover because it just holds the propellers in place, everything, and it protects the big sensor. This is the charger. Goes directly into the MAVIC, so it goes directly into the MAVIC charger. It's nice and small. What I don't like about I tried out the DJI Air S2, and you constantly have to carry the whole charging pack. It's not as convenient because it's a different type of charger. It's not like the USB-C. So if you ever forget the charger, it's a pain. This one you can honestly use it anywhere. Everybody has that charger from the Air 2S. It's just I don't think everybody has it, and you kind of have to buy it. And I can use this with my laptop charger. I can use it with pretty much everything. So I love it. But hey, I'm not gonna really bug with this because I'm not gonna use that for now. And then you have that. Well, let's do it for you guys. So another charger with the USB-C. So it has a USB-C charger, and it comes with Android and then USB to USB-C, and extra. Oh, it's not extra, just the one that goes with the regular remote controller. Okay. So we got that. We got this. and you got the regular DJI remote controller. Opens up. It's funny how they always have the iPhone charger plugged in. It's always ready, the iPhone. It's funny because everything else is, they have the Android, it's not in there, but the iPhone is in there. I just kind of thought that's funny why they didn't put an Android in there first, but hey. This is what you get with the Mavic remote controller only. It's not the Fly Me More kit.